So you've left your Subaru or front wheel drive vehicle sitting for a long time, or you just need to change your front drive axle, CV axle, uh, but the nut is seized on. So there's a few things you can do. One would be you're going to soak it with penetrating oil, blaster, WD-40, liquid wrench, any of those type of things, and leave it overnight, or for depending on when you're going to do this repair that you're working on. You'll do that. That would be one of the first steps if it doesn't come free. First, I use a long extension with a piece of pipe, which I've bent, trying to undo this one. Then my other problem that I'm having is that the wheel is spinning on the board that I have the car up on. I've jammed it with a small board. It's still not doing, helping at all. I've taken most, if not all, the air out of the tire, so it's sitting right flat on the rim. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a large amount of heat, or as much as a Bernzomatic torch can do, for about 5 minutes on that nut, and then I'm going to hope to God that it's going to fucking come off. So I'm going to let out even more air so that the wheel doesn't spin anymore at all, because I'm basically spinning it with the pry bar, and hit that with some heat, turn the camera back on, and hopefully the magic will happen. If not, if the magic doesn't happen, I will be taking the wheel off, jamming a screwdriver in between the cooling vents on that rotor, and hopefully getting it there, because I got to change the transmission from this car to my other one, and this CV axle is the only thing slowing me down. If that doesn't work for me, I am not going to waste a whole lot of time trying to get this axle off. I'll just cut the friggin' thing and work on it after if I need. Actually, no, I do need this side, so I have to get that axle out of there. So I'll turn the camera back on in 5 minutes when this nut's all heated up, and throw the bar on there and hopefully get it off. The torch has been heating that nut up for about five minutes now. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it any hotter with this torch here. Maybe if I had the yellow, what is it, MAP gas, or an actual oxyacetylene torch. This is a good way to break your pry bar as well, but that's okay if it breaks. Goddamn. Alright. On to the next plan. Pull the wheel off, jam a screwdriver that I don't care about in there, and get angry. So you can see, got the screwdriver stuck in there. Put my pry bar on there, lock it into place. Might even pull the thing off the jack stands. One thing I neglected to mention earlier is that I did bend back the tab that's in the little keyed spot so that the bolt doesn't, or the nut doesn't come undone. So let's just hope. There you go. Whew. So I guess that's how you get a stuck CV axle undone. And that's the start of me removing my transmission. I already have a video on that, so this was just a quick little short on how to deal with something like that. This car's been sitting for, oh gosh, probably almost a year now. And I'm out by the lake, so the air's a little damper out here, causing the nuts to rust on. So thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button and the notifications. And hopefully I'll be releasing some cooler content other than this here rusty shit. So, like I said, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for better content, Supra, and all that other crap.